Uh, welcome. I just wanted to first introduce myself. I'm Poya. As you maybe know, I'm in LinkedIn, and I wanted to just share my PS5 or like anything like order bought from Best Buy and Amazon because I thought like selling these bots are not a good idea because like everyone wants had to have like a product that like sells out like quickly. So I thought is the best idea is to share what I've done, and I'll share you guys in the GitHub my GitHub accounts, so you can go and test it yourself and like use it for yourself, and don't try to like do anything silly with it because I don't think there's something you gotta do bad with it, but like be honest, okay? Like be honest with yourself what you're gonna do with it. So we're gonna look at the bot. So basically, the bot is actually written in Python and some other like some like JavaScript elements and stuff, like nothing else. So if we take a look at the main, I will use my text editor, so there's nothing like to be wrong with it. And sorry if there's like a background noise or like a lag. I'm trying my best to be stable and stuff, but like it's not possible. Like I think. Okay. So first of all, you open your main.py. You enter the URL of your product. What is that? Okay, we'll go take a look at that. The URL of your product is actually what you're looking at when you want to buy a product in Amazon, for example. This works in Amazon.ca, like and BestBuy.ca, but you can change them for other countries too, like Amazon.com. You should just edit the URLs. First of all, I will explain to you guys how the bot works. But first of all, we're gonna take a look at the product URL. For example, I want a PS5. I really want that. I'm a gamer. As you maybe noticed, my background is cyberpunk. So we are, for example, I think PS5 Digital Edition is the best. So it says available from these sellers and stuff. Okay, it's all okay. But the thing is that you want to add this product to your cart, and like these guys usually have like these are resellers that they don't even like, as you see, like it's $1,700 and that's not a real price. So we're gonna take a look at it and how you can buy it with the bot easily. So first of all, this is my product URL. You copy this, you just go to the bot URL, is here. You replace this Amazon product URL with this bot, like it's already there for me. Uh, it's already there for me, so like I don't need it. And if I want to prove this, like I can just like copy this, paste it here, and it will like redirect you directly to the website that's like sells the PS5. It is Amazon. And the next one is the Best Buy. As you see, you just copy the URL top there, like as you can see here, and the bot goes and do everything else. Like you should just do the product URL and that's it. And also your CVV, this is just for you, and because this is a bot that I gave it to you, so you can look at it and edit it if you find anything suspicious that I don't think there's something. So you should replace this with your own CVV. And the way the bot works is actually you must have a Best Buy account and an Amazon account, that your credit card is linked to it and your address and everything, so like everything is set up already, like the defaults. Especially for Amazon, like it asks you to do like some default things, like set up your default payment settings and stuff for the quickest method. I mean the method that the bot works, and that's it. You just edit the CVV, the Best Buy product URL, and the Amazon product URL, and everything else. If you want to take a look at it, like it's in the src in the bots.py. It has a log, so it has a log like every time like something happens or it wants to buy something or anything happens, it will like do a log and it will print out everything that's going on except out of stock and stuff, because that's not the thing we're looking at. That's when we want to look at when the product is available and we want to buy it. So this is how it works. You can take a look at the code yourself. I just posted it. And the way you have to run the bot, I'm just going to quick show it right now. Let me just do open the terminal here. This works on both Windows and Linux. The only thing is you have to download the Chrome driver Selenium, and that's it. You can just go and search it yourself. Like just replace this Chrome driver with the Chrome driver.exe for like Windows. If you're Linux, you can use whatever you want, but you should use it based on your browser version. So it's like an automatic process. Let me find my Chrome driver path. I think it's here. So yeah, it wasn't the main pie, sorry. So yep, this src, you should just edit this with your .exe, but that's not, I'm using Linux, so it has nothing to do with me. So it works on everything, even on Mac and everything. So the thing is, we want to do right now, we just go create a terminal. Then we type python 3 main.py. That's it. And everything will go, and it will like redirect you to the sites. You'll see what happens right now. It opens the browser automatically. It redirects you to the website of the bestbuy.ca. And you have to click the account right here, and you have to, this is not the thing the bot wants. The bot doesn't take any your private and sensitive information, because you should enter it yourself, and you should enter your account yourself, and whenever it's completed, as it says, I said here, it says please log into your Best Buy account manually. When finished, just click enter here. When we finished, we just enter, like an enter, blank enter here. We just normally like sign into our Best Buy account, and it needs my boss, my boss. So it knows that you're a bot, but that's okay. You have to just do the captcha yourself. That's why I told that right there. Maybe even if you do it correct, it will give you like 2 times error and stuff, but then it works. I think it's okay. Should I go for it? Yeah, I needed one last time. Bicycles. We all hate captchas, I know. It's so boring. But it's a thing we have to do. Oh my gosh. Pedestrian crossings. Traffic lights. Okay. Pedestrian crossings. Again. Traffic lights. What the hell? Okay. Is that a boss? Yeah. Let me just wait for it this time. Yep, It worked. Sorry. I guess. I guess I did something wrong. No way. Sorry for that. Pedestrian crossings. Traffic lights. That was a traffic light, right? I don't know. Stairs? There isn't any stairs. Oh my gosh. Pedestrian crossings. This is what I see. I don't know what the bot thinks. Come on. What? Traffic lights. I don't know. This is so annoying. We all know the captcha is so annoying. How can I find a chimney right here? Okay, okay. So we logged into our Best Buy account, and we just have to click a blank enter here. Just click enter, and it takes us to Amazon.ca. We have to sign in here too. Oh my gosh, why am I keep like forgetting my email? It's better to click here too, in case something like happens unexpectedly. Okay, I signed in. Will we go to the terminal, and we just click another enter, and the bot starts the operation. It goes and check the website constantly to see the first available stock that it's like, let me just put it side by side for you guys to actually watch it easily. So it just goes and check it out itself. As you see, it says Amazon out of stock, because it is, and Best Buy out of stock, as you see. And it gives you time, and it will log the output whenever it bought something, and it will also make a beep sound whenever a product is available, and also it will make 100 beeps or beep sounds whenever it bought something, so that everything is correct. Thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry for some delays on it, and like some captcha and anti-robot things. I hate those. And I hope you guys will get anything you want. This was for PS5. You can do it for Xbox, I don't know, for like RTX, whatever you just guys looking at, and you cannot find it, and it's out of stock in Best Buy and Amazon, so it's easier for you to get it. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys later.